I want to nest if. Want to do a situation whereby, okay, if the person scores 85 and above, print A. If they want to gauge them, if the person is scores, okay, the highest score is 85 and above, A. If it is 75 to 85, your score is between 75 to 85, then B, your score is between 65 to 75, stuff like that. So for this, you want to nest if. Nesting is just like if in if. So you are putting if in ifs. So you start if and tab. So to complete, you can just restart. If this is greater than, what should we use? You should use greater than or equals to 75. Greater than or equals to 75. Okay. Should we use 75 or 80? Let's start from 80, 85, please. 85. Greater than 85, comma, then print A. That is the person scores A. The person scores A. What if it is false? If it is false, then do another if. If this same person scores something that is greater than or equal to 75, print B. Okay, the person does not score up to 85, the person does not score up to 75. Another if this same person scores a score, has a score that is greater than or equals to 65, then print C. What if it is false again? If all these three conditions are false, continue. If this person has a score that is greater than or equals to 55, or let's say 50 this time, print D. Are you with me? Now we've done A, B, C, D, and we say okay. Then if you don't have a score to 50, you are failed. Otherwise, fail, which is value false. If all these conditions 1, 2, 3, 4, if none of them is true, then print false, which is D. And F, print F. No, now to close your brackets, you must understand that you have opened how many if? 1, 2, 3, 4. You opened 4 ifs, so you have to close 4 brackets. And if you watch your Excel very well, it will color each conditions that you are closing. My own first color here is black. My second color is red. My third color of bracket is this purple. Then my fourth one is green. You can just close brackets. 1, it has closed the green. Once you close bracket, you see it boldens a bit. 2, you have closed second bracket. 3, you have closed the red bracket. And 4, you have closed the last bracket, which is why you have the logical value at the first if, which is 4. Then you press enter. So you can now double click. You can double tap on this to autofill instead of writing it yourself. You can just double tap. So you can just double tap. You can just double tap. You will count if. And this also you can also do a conditional formatting on this. Like you want to see them from afar. You can select it. Come to home, conditional formatting, new group, use formula. Then you press the cell. Let's pick this cell. So if this cell is equals to C, is equals to, let's start with A. If is equals to A, then what format do you want to put? Let's come to colors, fill. Then you can just choose green. Just choose green. Okay, come to manage rules. Then double click. Then this is an absolute referencing, so you turn it to normal referencing, which is by F4. I just press F4 to remove it, or you can just delete the dollar sign. Then print OK, and press OK. So So that's it. Then you do it for the rest too. Now for the second one, if I want to do the second one, I can just say new rule, use a formula, then where this person got. So immediately I press it, I can, it's already in absolute automatically, so I can just press F4 to remove the this thing, the dollar sign, then equals to what, B, then I can just format and choose light green and say okay, okay, and this should work without anything. Then you can just do for C. So I'll do, you can just do the rest. You can use yellow for C, deep yellow for D, and light red for F.